Alright, guys. Well, this is the big news. Um, it's the news this morning. Why, everyone? It's actually funny right now. You know, come on. Alright, and here we are. Yeah, we're running the news this morning. I'm running my hail is never the wins. It, you know, like a tornado watch, but it's not home. No. Yes, I'm gonna let this play out. Um, yeah. I thought you that you're that way. Probably not. When that is that is the view in the morning. No. Well, I mean nothing is happening yet. No. Oh, not right now. I'm gonna wait until it's big enough. I mean, I know. Women, right? Right. Point is, but right over there, I'm gonna let this right. Oh my God, I can't believe that was happening. But it's better if that at the same time. We're not having a tornado watch as well. First thing in the morning. So we're not definitely expecting some damage to wind. Alright, so any almost 5 o'clock, but here's the thunder. And if you feel like this might um again I don't even know what that I'm like I'm just gonna do first. Um like not I might in enough here. Um and maybe until 5 o'clock. We'll see. No. Yeah. Um I'm not saying now. I don't know. Maybe not no. The lights are on, but the hey well any that light over there is on, but you know it's off. Oh that is also my lamp in the reflection. No. Yeah. I'm like wow. You put it like all night. So late dawning. Oh yeah, that's dawning. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna end up in a minute now. If we part one and then part two, we'll see what happens. Peace out.